guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sarah here and I'm here to help you create the life you love. We're going to be reviewing a room in the Bryanston Guesthouse and you'll let me know what you think about it and all of those nice things. So let's go. Room 12. So this is room 12. Once you enter, you get this area with your chair and then the TV. The bed looks so nice. I like the modern colors and all of the nice things. Oh wow. Oh guys, the marble. This is so nice. You get the microwave, the cutlery, the coffee, all my biscuits, a kettle, and a fridge. With a pen. Don't mind the things, they're busy cleaning, that's why the things are out there. Oh wow, they have like a bathtub. So you can see your room from the bathtub. Oh wow. And then your shower. This shower bathroom is huge. And it has like your basin. And then you have your bathroom, or like your toilet, as you would say it separately.